What's going on, YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really interesting unboxing to do with you guys. A while back, I did an unboxing, a bunch of Jeff's knives, and there was a knife in there that had some green anodization and was a Wharncliffe style blade. That knife was made by a gentleman named Greg Geckel with Quest Custom Knives, and I had not heard of Quest Custom Knives, but Jeff was like, "Yeah, he's a really cool guy. He's got some cool models. You should check him out." And then he had told Greg about my channel, and Greg contacted me and was like, "Hey, I'm really thankful that you're going to take a look at these. That's awesome." And I was like, "Yeah, I'm excited to." And then after I had already unboxed them, he was like, and I'm trying to remember the timeline of this exactly. He said, I want to make you one. I want to make you a knife, and I just want to give it to you. I want you to review it. I want you to be brutally honest. This is, he made it clear that he was not just trying to give me something in exchange for a positive review. He said, I want you to critique these. And I was really impressed by that. And it's not like my opinion is the end all be all of this world. And I told him, I said, it's always odd critiquing someone's custom work because I'm not a knife maker. I'm literally just a dude who likes knives, who's got a cheap tripod and his phone, That's all I am. So I was really, really impressed at his integrity and his honesty and his openness. And also I, was just humbled. I just felt so, it was really cool that he wanted my opinion. So anyways, mine is in here, and actually Jeff's is in here. We decided to make a slight alteration in the lockup. His was really, really early, and Greg said, no problem. I can change that lockup and make it the way you guys want it. And this super fast turnaround, and just so far my experience with Mr. Geckel and Greg Custom Knives, Greg Custom Knives, Quest Custom Knives is very, very positive, and I want to be organic about stuff like that with you guys. I want you guys to know what my actual experience was, and I want everything to always be full disclosure. So one of these is mine, and one of them is Jeff's. Let's see here. Let me take a quick peek. This is the one that's Jeff's. You guys remember seeing that one. Beautiful action as usual, and there's the new lockup percentage. No lock stick. Very, very smooth. Absolutely cool. Love that knife. Love the Wharncliffe. So when he asked me, he said, what do you want to do? And I looked at, the available options for these. This is a gentleman's Warney. I told him that I wanted to do his spear point blade, and that I had never had anything with purple ano. He also had an option for mesh. Oh boy, that is super cool. Yeah. Oh man, that action is nice. So I had never had anything with purple ano, and he had this option for this mesh pattern in there, and I was like, yeah, you know what? I would be interested in doing that. So this is his gentleman's spear point. And this is his purple anodization, full titanium. Probably looks to be, that might be 165 thousandths on the blade stock. I don't know. It's always hard to tell when I don't have my XM18 up here for comparison. But beautiful, beautiful flipping action and beautiful deployment. Absolutely. Beautiful deployment and beautiful action there. It's, in terms of smoothness, it's absolutely a free faller. There's your lockup percentage on this guy. No blade play up, down, left, or right. That is awesome. Nice satin finish there on the blade. These are awesome, Greg. I am really, really excited to carry this one for a little bit and give my honest thoughts about it and give my impressions. First impressions are extremely positive. If you guys have a chance, you should go check out Quest Custom Knives. You can find them on Instagram. I wish I should have asked you, Greg, if you had a website. I'll make sure to include all of the information when I actually do the review on these two. But anyways, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to take a look at my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.